Good morning, ma'am. Could you please suggest some important editorials to read today?
Yes, absolutely. There are two very important editorials in the Hindu newspaper today, very relevant for examination perspective. Come, let's have a look. The first editorial is Redraw Welfare Architecture, place a UBI in the center, written by Saptagiri Shankar Ulaka. He's a member of parliament, and this article is very important because this article argues that India needs to rethink its welfare system by introducing a universal basic income UBI, and that's what this article talks about. It's a fixed unconditional payment to every citizen as a core of a new welfare architecture. Now there are many challenges. The challenges are discussed. The argument for UPI India has been discussed. State citizen state relationship has been discussed, and then there are some funding issues that have been discussed in the editorial. Now the editorial is relevant for the following sections of the examination. It is very important for GS paper 2, which is governance and social justice. It is very important for GS paper 3, which is Indian economy, and then it is very important for essay papers for topics on inequality, welfare reforms and inclusive growth, and ethics paper, which is GS paper 4. Also, it is very important.
What else, ma'am?
Yes, come, let's have a look at the second editorial. The second editorial is, are AI-based tools for mental health helpful or harmful? It is written by Neeraj Kumar and Jamila Kaushi. It is a very important editorial as it discusses whether AI-based tools are such as chatbots, wellness apps, support systems, emotional support systems are truly beneficial for our mental health or not. Now there are in this editorial they have given pros and cons of these and an expert's view also. Now this is relevant for UPSC syllabus in the following sections. GS paper 2, again it is very important, governance and social justice. Then GS paper 3, again it is very important, science and tech. Then ethics paper, which is GS paper 4, it is again very important. Lastly, essay paper, it is very important, and it is very relevant for health perspective overall. So these two were the most important editorials in today's The Hindu newspaper, and if you would want to watch a deep dive video of these editorials, a deeper analysis, please go and watch our DNA video. That's it for today. Thank you so much.